Hi, very good morning to you. It's Jim from maverickstar Observatory. Guys, we're back to science. Despite all what's happening in the world, we have got back to science. We've got the equipment out this morning and we've taken some measurements of the atmospheric CO2, atmospheric oxygen, all with our own equipment. And, you know, I have to say this, guys, we need to do a little bit better on the fundraising for this observatory because we cannot continue like this. Something has got to change if a few more people don't step up to that line. I'll mention the link at the end of the video, but meanwhile, let's get on with what's important. So, atmospheric CO2 is at 439 parts per million. Atmospheric oxygen at 20.46, which is very good. There is 20% of our atmosphere oxygen, and that is because of all the trees that are producing the oxygen for us on the planet right now, keeping that reservoir topped up at that point. Yeah, just a thing that many people might not know. You know, millions of years ago, our atmospheric CO2 levels was almost saturated. So the environment on Earth was almost all CO2. And what changed that was a massive influx of sea microorganisms that captured the carbon out the atmosphere, and in doing so, produced an atmosphere of gradual increases of oxygen, which made it able for creatures like ourselves to survive on land. Yeah, but in the beginning it was just CO2. So just thought I'd put that out there. Okay, we've got the magnetic north pole position. The latitude is 81 degrees, 53 hours, 20 minutes by 43 seconds north. The longitude is 114 degrees, 55 hours, 58 minutes and 84 seconds east. The radiation background count has gone up by 1 microsievert, 0.1 microsievert, and so we have a total of 0.16 microsieverts. So a slight increase on the background radiation when measuring alpha, beta and gamma. The volcanoes in eruption are at 29, still the same. The largest earthquake in the last 24 hours is Western Afghanistan at a magnitude of 6.3. Muons per hour per square metre here in the UK is measured at 511, slightly up from the last time we've done it. And again, muons per hour per square metre in Canada are at 819, slightly up again from the last time we had data coming from Canada. We have also updated Kendall's magnetometer data on the website as well for you guys. So the geomagnetic field right now is quiet, solar x-rays are normal, and our jet streams are unstable, as you would expect at this current time, with an influx of cosmic rays due to a weakened heliosphere, allowing more, first of all, radiation into our solar system, second of all, a weakened magnetosphere caused by the Earth going through a magnetic reversal, and in turn creating a situation where there is a seeding platform being developed at an increased rate in the jet streams, which allows more water precipitation to form, and therefore allowing the jet streams to become unstable, fragmentize and mix from polar to subtropical, both over northern and southern hemispheres. Guys, the link is down there in the description, and if nobody uses it, then we don't raise a dime here at the observatory. We have no advert revenue running because of our friends at YouTube don't see us as a fit and viable partner to share the advert revenue with us. And we also don't sell merchandise. We don't direct you to shops that we have. All our equipment here is owned by ourselves, and without your help we simply don't get any. It's as simple as that. And therefore, there is a link down there in the description. We hope you use it, because if 2,000 people today was to just put $1 each in, and we know that will never ever happen, but if it did, we wouldn't need to keep mentioning this. we would have a lot more equipment in the field, we'd be gathering more data. But right now, we are stripped right back to the bones as far as finances are going, and we are definitely, subduing ourselves further and further in the red. It would be a great thing if a few more people would just realise the importance of what we do for you guys and chip in a few bucks here and there. It doesn't require many people to do it, but unfortunately we live in a time where people do take things for granted, and other people's labour, other people's time, other people's money. It's the way things are. But at the bottom end of the scale and the bottom line of the matter is, there is over £250,000 worth of equipment here, and there is no other YouTube channel doing what we do. There is no other website covering, this latest event at the same resolution as what we are. And we have equipment working 24 hours a day for you guys. It would be awesome, just awesome, if a few people would step up today and chip in a few bucks. It would save me going bold and grey. Let's say that. Okay, guys, you have an amazing day. The link is there. Please use it. And I'll say what I usually do. You take care of your loved ones. As always, bye for now.